Forgery, under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, is the act of creating a false document or electronic record with the intent to deceive or cause harm. It involves making a document that appears genuine but is not, or altering an existing one in a deceptive manner. Sections 463 and 464 of the IPC define forgery in the concept of making a false document, respectively. Key elements of forgery. 1. Making a false document or electronic record. This involves creating a document from scratch or altering an existing one with the intent to deceive. 2. Intent to deceive or cause harm. The person creating the false document must have the intention to cause damage, support a false claim, or defraud someone. And 3. Dishonestly or fraudulently. The act must be done with the intention to cause wrongful gain to one person or wrongful loss to another. Examples of forgery: altering a check by changing the amount, creating a fake will, falsifying a passport, signing a document in someone else's name with fraudulent intent, and creating a fake receipt. Relevant sections of the IPC. 1. Section 463 defines the offense of forgery. 2. Section 464 defines making a false document. 3. Section 467 deals with forgery of valuable securities, wills, etc. And 4. Section 468 deals with forgery for the purpose of cheating. Punishment. The punishment for forgery varies depending on the severity of the offense and the type of document involved. It can range from imprisonment, which may extend to life imprisonment in some cases, to fines. Key court decisions. 1. Calcutta Singh vs. the State, 1977. The accused was found guilty under Section 467 for falsely identifying a person as a deponent before an oaths commissioner. 2. Daniel Haley Walcott vs. State, 1968. Unauthorized endorsements in a passport, made dishonestly and fraudulently, were deemed forgery. And 3. Krishan Lal vs. State, 1976. The accused was found guilty of forgery for falsely representing himself as the payee and signing the postal acknowledgement in the name of the original payee. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.